The Blind Painter. There was once a blind man named Rohan who lived in a small village. Despite his blindness, he had an extraordinary talent. He could paint beautiful pictures. People in the village were amazed at his ability to create vibrant and detailed landscapes, even though he had never seen them with his own eyes. One day, a rich man visited the village and, upon hearing about Rohan, he scoffed. How can a blind man paint? It must be a trick. He challenged Rohan to paint a picture of a sunset over the ocean. If he failed, the rich man would expose him as a fraud. Rohan smiled and accepted the challenge. He asked the villagers to describe the sunset to him, the colors, the waves, the way the sky changed. Using only their words and his imagination, he painted the scene. When he was done, the villagers gasped in amazement. The painting was breathtaking, filled with warmth, depth, and emotion. The rich man was speechless. How did you do this? He asked. Rohan replied, I may not see with my eyes, but I see with my heart. Imagination has no limits, and determination has no barriers. The rich man, humbled by his mistake, apologized and bought the painting for a great price. From that day on, Rohan became famous not just for his talent but for his unwavering belief in himself. Moral of the story is our limitations exist only in our minds. If we believe in ourselves, we can overcome any challenge and achieve greatness.